String. A sequence of characters which is enclosed or surrounded by single open parentheses, single quote, close parentheses, or double open parentheses, close parentheses, double quotes is known as a string. The sequence may include a letter, number, special characters, or a backslash. Python treats single quotes as double quotes. Example of a string. Creating strings. Strings can be created by enclosing characters inside single or double quotes. It is like assigning a value to a variable. Multiline strings. A multiline string in Python begins and ends with either 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. Any quotes, tabs, or news lines in between the triple quotes are considered part of the string. Program 4. To create a string. Using escape sequences with strings. Escape sequences or characters are used to insert special characters that are invalid in Python. Quotes are special characters, and to insert them in a string, we must escape them with a backslash character in front of them. An escape sequence is a sequence of characters that does not represent itself when used inside a character or string. It is typically used to specify actions such as carriage returns and tab movements. The backslash is a special character and is also known as the escape character in Python. It is used to represent white space characters. For example, \t for tab, \n for new line, and \r is for carriage return. Program 5. To print special symbols using escape sequences. You will get the following output. Program 6. To print multi-line strings. You will get the following output. Traversing a string. Traversing means visiting each element and processing it as required by the program. We can access the characters of a string one at a time using indexing. There are 2 ways of indexing a list.
Index with positive integers. Index from left starts with 0. Index with negative integers. Index from right starts with -1. Syntax for traversing a string.
Program 7. To access different elements of a string. You will get the following output. String operators. There are 2 basic string operators in Python, plus and star. Python uses plus for concatenation and star for replication. String concatenation operator, plus. String concatenation operator joins 2 or more strings into one. Program 8. To join 2 or more strings using string concatenation operator. You will get the following output. String replication operator, star. The replication operator is used to repeat the string for a given number of times. Program 9. To repeat a string using string replication operator. You will get the following output. String built-in functions. Python includes the following built-in functions to manipulate strings. Len, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. The len, open parenthesis, close parenthesis function calculates and returns the length and returns the length of a string supplied as an argument. Syntax of using len, open parenthesis, close parenthesis function is lower, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. The lower, open parenthesis, close parenthesis function converts all uppercase letters to lowercase. Syntax of using lower, open parenthesis, close parenthesis function is upper, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. The upper, open parenthesis, close parenthesis function converts all lowercase letters to uppercase. Syntax of using upper, open parenthesis, close parenthesis function is capitalize, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. The capitalize, open parenthesis, close parenthesis function returns a string with the first characters in capital. Syntax of using capitalize, open parenthesis, close parenthesis function is Program 10. To use various string built-in functions. You will get the following output.